In this video, we review Merrill Edge versus Robinhood. Have you used Merrill Edge or Robinhood before? What was your experience? Leave your Merrill Edge or Robinhood review in the comments section below. When comparing Merrill Edge and Robinhood, each offers a unique appeal for different types of investors, but there are important distinctions between them in terms of services, costs, and reliability. For those interested in traditional investments with robust research tools, Merrill Edge can be an ideal choice, while Robinhood's easy access and commission-free structure attract a younger, more risk-tolerant demographic. Understanding the pros, cons, and key features of each platform can help investors decide which aligns best with their goals. Merrill Edge, owned by Bank of America, is deeply integrated with the bank services, which can be beneficial for clients who bank with Bank of America or want holistic wealth management. Merrill Edge provides research reports from BofA Global Research and Morningstar, offering in-depth analysis that can be a game-changer for long-term investors. It supports various investment vehicles, including stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, and options, but lacks the cryptocurrency trading offered by Robinhood. Merrill Edge also has the guided investing feature, which uses robo-advisors to provide managed portfolios, appealing to those who prefer a hands-off approach. However, Merrill Edge charges $6.95 per trade for options, whereas Robinhood's options trading is free. Despite Merrill's solid research and diverse offerings, its traditional approach and fees might deter active or cost-sensitive traders. Robinhood, on the other hand, has gained popularity with its zero-commission model for stocks, ETFs, options, and crypto trading, making it highly accessible. Its intuitive mobile app encourages frequent trading, which appeals especially to new investors. Robinhood also offers fractional shares, allowing users to invest in high-cost stocks with as little as $1. For those wanting additional perks, Robinhood Gold, its paid subscription, grants access to margin trading and advanced analysis tools. While Robinhood's gamified approach has drawn criticism, it has empowered a wave of investors to enter the market who might have otherwise stayed out. Robinhood's focus on a streamlined, beginner-friendly experience, however, means it lacks the in-depth resources that seasoned investors often seek. For instance, Merrill Edge's professional research can provide a significant advantage to those who rely on detailed analysis before making investment decisions. When it comes to security and reputation, Merrill Edge generally scores higher. As a subsidiary of Bank of America, it has rigorous regulatory compliance and transparency, appealing to investors who prioritize trust and reliability. In contrast, Robinhood has faced several controversies over the years. In 2021, it came under intense scrutiny during the GameStop trading halt, which led to user lawsuits and a hit to its reputation. Additionally, some investors report experiencing issues with withdrawals and customer support, raising concerns over Robinhood's handling of customer funds and overall transparency. These challenges make Robinhood less appealing to investors who are risk-averse or want more reliable customer service. In summary, Merrill Edge is a strong choice for those who value detailed research, holistic wealth management, and stability, especially Bank of America customers who can take advantage of account integration. Robinhood remains a solid option for new investors who prioritize zero fees, simplicity, and flexible investment options like cryptocurrency. However, Merrill Edge's reliability and extensive resources make it a better fit for serious long-term investors, while Robinhood's fee-free trades and accessibility continue to attract younger, active traders who are comfortable with a simpler, more independent approach.